Hey everyone, it's a beautiful morning here in southern Saskatchewan. I'm here at Last Mountain Lake, and today I'm going to be trying to catch some big walleye on some bottom bouncers. Probably going to be tossing some Nightcrawlers on those bottom bouncers, maybe even some cooked shrimp later. See what's biting here. I apologize if my voice is a little congested. It's because I am congested, just getting a little over a cold. Hopefully that doesn't impact how well my fishing is, but if it impacts it on a good way, I'm all for it. There we go. Finally got one hooked. I haven't even seen him yet. But, yep, it's a walleye. Sitting there, thought it was a pike. Alright. Alright, let me see how. Get a quick measurement on ya. Oh, 21. First fish of the day. Took a while, but we're on the board. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Yep, just a little guy. It's a pike. What the heck? That's not what I'm here for. Just a little pike here. There we go. Looks like a walleye. I think he's very big. Oh, not too bad. He's not ready to come in yet. Oh no. There we go. Went to hook him there and looks like my hook on the other side of his mouth hooked the side of the net, so I had to switch it around just to get him in the net. Get some sun on him. There you go. Nice little keeper, which I'm not doing today. There's a fish. Feels a little bigger than that pike I just caught. Let's hope it's a walleye this time. Oh, still haven't seen it. It's a walleye. It's a nice one. There you go. want to take a quick look at the measurement here. It's only 1 3/4. I think it's the biggest fish of the day. Not too bad. Yeah, fish. Looks like it. Oh, I think I lost him. Crap. Still in my worm though. Nope. Took it. There's fish. That looks like a pike, maybe. Oh, yeah, it's a pike. Darn it. Looks like this guy's got a little hook inside of him, inside his mouth. I have to get that out of there. Yeah, someone had a little jig head. He must have broke off this little guy. Kind of embarrassing to lose a hook on that little guy, hey? Well, I've been fishing for about 3 hours and the wind has picked up more than it was supposed to, and from a direction that it wasn't supposed to as well, and it's making it quite challenging to steer this boat. I usually don't like to come out when it's super windy like this, mainly because the audio can be pretty crappy, but controlling the boat is not easy when you're trying to juggle the camera, the boat, the fish. Make sure you're not cutting your own line with your prop. So I'm gonna call it there. Still caught some fish, still better than sitting at home doing nothing. I hope you had some fun. I know I sure did. Catch you next time.